Hello, and welcome to Pacbrake's install video series. Today we'll be installing an HP10004 amp airspring kit on a Ford F-150 truck. The estimated install time for this kit is around 2 hours, but you may be able to complete it in less time depending on your mechanical expertise. Please read your entire manual that came with your kit carefully before conducting this install, as this video is by no means a replacement to the manual. You can find your installation manual and more at pacbrake.com/HP10004. Alright, let's get started.
Pre-assembly of the air springs. Install the roll plate on the bottom of the air spring, the bottom being the end without the air inlet port. Align the two holes in the roll plate with those in the air spring. Install the two carriage bolts with the two holes in the lower mounting bracket. Position the lower mounting bracket on top of the air spring and the roll plate. Make sure the air inlet port is in the opposite end of the air spring and is positioned toward the same side as the carriage bolts. You can then install the cap screws, lock and flat washers, and torque all fasteners to 20 foot-pounds. Repeat on the passenger side of the vehicle. Install the two airline fittings into the top of both air springs.
Raise the vehicle enough for a comfortable working height using a hoist or floor jack and support the axle with jack stands. You can then remove both jounce bumpers.
Choose the correct upper air spring mounting bracket for the correct side of the vehicle. Here we use HP10004 for the driver's side and HP10019 for the passenger side. Using the countersink fasteners supplied, install the upper air spring mounting bracket to the frame through the jounce bumper mounting holes. The brackets are designed to be a tight fit to the frame and may require a bracket to be installed with a rubber mallet. Ensure the air spring mounting flange is facing toward the center of the vehicle. Install the driver's side air spring assembly first. Insert the air spring assembly over the axle tube with one carriage bolt on either side of the axle tube. Align the lower bracket cutouts with the factory leaf spring U-bolts. Loosely install the U-bolts provided around the leaf spring pack, then through the holes in the lower air spring bracket. Do not tighten the Pacbrake U-bolts at this time. Insert the upper roll plate over the air inlet fitting. Align the two mounting holes and using the cap screw, lock, and flat washers provided, secure the air spring to the upper mounting bracket. Torque the cap screws to 20 foot-pounds. Install the axle strap to the two carriage bolts. Then loosely install the nylock nuts provided. For 4x4 model vehicles only, loosely install the support bracket to the lower air spring mounting bracket. Install the bracket with the rounded cutout against the axle tube using the 3/8 inch fasteners supplied. Evenly tighten the U-bolt around the leaf spring pack. This will align the lower bracket. Torque to 30 foot-pounds. For 4x4 model vehicles only, adjust the support brackets to attain a full contact against the axle tube, torquing the supporting bracket fasteners to 30 foot-pounds. Check the alignment of the top to the bottom of the air spring. If necessary, loosen the air spring to the mounting bracket cap screws and adjust the air spring on the mounting bracket to achieve the best possible alignment of the top and bottom of the air spring. Evenly tighten the axle strap bracket nuts to 30 foot-pounds. Repeat on the passenger side of the vehicle. Check for clearance between the brake lines and all the air spring components installed. Adjust the brake lines as necessary to attain adequate clearance. Install the heat shield by bending the two center tabs as shown. Attach the heat shield with the gear clamp supplied to the exhaust pipe to protect the air spring from heat. Install the two fill valves. The most common place to install them is to replace the license plate fasteners with the fill valves.
Alternatively, 2 holes can be drilled in a convenient location. Route the nylon hose to an air spring fitting, cut the hose, and connect to the air spring fitting. Repeat with the other fill valve. Secure air lines with the tie straps provided away from moving items and heat sources. Inflate both the air springs to 90 psi. Use a mixture of dish soap and water on all airline connections to detect any air leaks. If you see bubbles forming, a leak is present and must be repaired. Alternatively, inflate your air springs to a predetermined value, then recheck the pressure on the following day. If one or both air springs have lost any pressure, a leak is present and must be repaired. Retest until no leaks occur. Congratulations! You just completed the install of your AMP air springs kit. If you still have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 800-663-0096 to talk with one of our qualified customer service team reps, or visit us on our website at pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. And don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the lifetime warranty on your air springs. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with AMP air spring controls, air compressor, or air tank kit. To stay up to date on all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thank you for watching.